Hello guys, hope you are doing fine. This is middle of the week. Today is Wednesday and it is 15th November, middle of the month of also. So let's get down to business. This is AUD USD where we are analyzing. Just for the new viewer who doesn't have not seen the previous videos, I would like to explain it. This is our pattern 1 weekly double top we had previously. This was the place where we put the mark, and this top is responsible for this bottom, but we didn't have any double bottom in the weekly, because to form a double bottom we need a red and green, but here we have red and green, but you can see there is no red and green here. So we move back to the time frame and found that based on this top, weekly top, this guy, let me activate it here so we can see things how unfolding the market. Let's open it in day time frame and let's go back to day. So this top is responsible for this bottom, and we found a double bottom. That is our pattern 2. You can see this is pattern 2 it formed, and now this bottom here, if we mark it clearly, let's mark it. So this bottom here, if you see, this guy is responsible for the current top. So this is responsible for this current top, but we have seen that after going to this top, it is maintaining a very good channel, a range it was maintaining. So considering that this double bottom P2 daily double bottom has formed this daily P3 double top. So if we visualize this double top again, this is the reason the double top has been formed, and we would like to see if it is available in week, and we can see that it is not available in week. The last to form double top we need green red, and this red is not available here. This green is not available in weekly at that time. This is a new week we are working right now, so don't get misguided. This is the red we are looking for, and here we don't find any red at that time. We find a red here, but there was no green. So we went back again to day time frame, and we found that we have a double top in day. So this is our pattern 3. I'm speaking a little bit fast, so I think I should slow down a little. After forming this pattern 3 in daily P3 daily double top, now we try to analyze at that time that it has formed a full cup already, but without the handle. And as per our prediction, the handle is supposed to be here, 50% of the total range. So we measured it like this, and we found this is the half. And that was our prediction. After forming this handle, it's supposed to go up. However, it did it. It pushed it back more, and almost it come to 75% of the total range. You see, this is half, and if we measure half of that also, half of this, and it almost got to 75% of the total range. And then we have seen that in previous week the price stopped here, and we tried to find out what happened, and we didn't find any double bottom here in day or in week. There was no double bottom. So we went to 4 hours chart, 4 hours time frame, and we found that this is the single candlestick which is opposite of color in a uptrend, and that stopped the price here, and the price hovered here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 So almost 2.5 days the price keep on ranging here, and after that it failed to break below. This was the last area it retested here, and it went upward, and it broke the structure here, and it went to this position yesterday. Currently we are here, but this is, I think, the outcome of yesterday. So coming back today, so we have a cup and handle fulfilled. Now what will happen? This is the question. Some of the traders who are following me, subscribing me, they have a question in mind that all the time I am showing either it will go upward or downward. Yes, those are the only two options. And if I analyze and put both the option, then how the trader will be benefited from this analysis? Yes, these are the two options, but actually there are three options. Either it will go up, it will go down, or it will keep ranging. That is the third option we missed. And second thing, I always analyze the market structure first, then I analyze the price action, and thirdly I analyze the pattern. So if I say it can go up and down, yes. If it can range, yes, that is also true. But all the time I am giving the clues to confirm will it go up or will it come down. So keep that in mind. I am going to show you very details here so you can understand that clearly. It is completely your discretion. Now you see that this is the neckline. We have the neckline here, you see. And if this neckline is broken, let me show you vividly so you guys can see things very clearly. So our cap and handle, this pattern has been fulfilled. Now this is the neckline, and we can see that it is trying to break the neckline. So one option I am giving you, you can take a long or buy trade if, remember it, if we have a green candle here, very clearly, green candle, it has to be a green candle. It has to be a green candle. And let me make it a little bit like this. If we have a green candle like this here, and second condition is this, that there will be a red candle also. But how the red candle will be? The red candle will be here, something like this. Let me make it a little bit bigger to draw it properly. The red candle has to be here. Let me make it red. The red candle has to be here, and it must not, this red candle must not break this blue line. And this is called retest. We call it retest. Once this retest is done, I repeat it, once this retest is done, then you can go for long. This is on the upside. This is on the upside. On the downside, we can see that the structure, the market is very, very strong here. Very strong. This is a very big momentum candle. Let me discolor this candle, otherwise people will think of the same candle I am drawing. How to do that? Let's minimize it a little so we understand. Yes, this is green and this is red. Now you see we are going through this channel ranging for a long time. And what is the time frame we are talking about? In this range, AUD USD is lying from 15th of August to be exactly, not 15th, to be 10th of August. So it is August, September, October, November. It is more than 3 months. You see, for the last 3 months, these guys are ranging in this particular two areas, two boundaries. The upper limit is here and the lower limit is here. So here, if we have something like this, and I draw it a little bit wrong. It is not supposed to be like this. Yes, let's say there is a green candle, opens here, open up here, close here, and we have a red candle that comes down and retest the then this resistance will become a big support. Test this support and fail to break this support, then we have a long. On the flip side, now on the flip side, let's say if for any good reason we have a we have a red candle here. You see, let me draw it here so you understand. We have a red candle here. Let me make it red. And again, sorry guys, again we have a green candle, we have a red candle here, again we have a green candle here, somewhere here. Let me enlarge the drawing area, otherwise it is getting very difficult. Again we have a green candle here, and this green candle fails to break this this resistance. It is called CRB, current resistant break. So these are the two options we have. Now of course there is a chance that a green candle, red candle will come here, then a green candle will come here, then again a red candle will come here, and again the green candle will come here. Yes, there is a chance that it will start ranging on this side or also on this side. But we have to wait and see that a candle which may let's give you an example. This green candle went up, and then this red candle looked like this and again started retracing and it stopped here. That is a better confirmation. We have a better confirmation. You understand? We have a very good confirmation in that case. We have a better confirmation that it has a very long tweak. Something like this. Let me show you. Something like this. This here in red, like this. So that confirms us that the buyers were strong. It pushed the price here and failed, and then the seller were strong. They pushed the price here, and then the buyer take over, and they push the price back here. That is a very good confirmation. So once a retest is done, it gives us the probability more than 80%. And now question is, so in some of the cases we don't get such confirmation. If we don't get, we don't take the trade. We don't want our money to be lost. I don't personally feel that I will give my money to the market. I don't do that. On the contrary, if we have a red candle here, which may go like here, then maybe we have a green candle. It went up. The buyer took the control, and later within the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the seller took the control and put it back here, and it has a tweak here. So something like this, a tweak. I don't know. I will be able to draw. I'm just trying to visualize with an arrow. Let's put it. This is forget the arrow. Just the tweak here. So if it happens, this tweak, you understand? If it happens like this, a tweak, then it means what? It means that the buyer were strong. It took the price there, and it failed, and the seller take over and brought down the price here. Simple. So it is a better confirmation that the price failed to move upward. So these are the two price action through which we can determine if we will go long or if we'll go short. I hope that is clear. If any one of you thinks that it is not clear, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to explain it again. So we are waiting now here in 4 hours time frame. If we go to 4 hours time frame now, we are waiting now here to see if the price able to break on the upward, or I beg your pardon, if the price successfully able to go upward, or it fails within this boundary. I think I should activate the lines here so you guys can see in both time frame properly. Let me activate these things. Okay. So if you go to 4 hours, you wait, and you see this, the 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 2 days 4 hours candle. This is for 15th November, 15th November, 15th November. So we have a red. We compare this. Forget this one. Forget this one and this one. So we have a red. This red is red, and we have a green. This is the green. Again we have a green. So this green a little bit something like this. If we compare this and this, if we just compare this with this, and if we compare this with this guy, now we have another green. But we have to watch out. Watch out. If it breaks, don't take the trade now. Don't take. At least you should wait 4 or 5 candles to see. Okay. So once it fails, then we have this. On the contrary, if it successfully able to break the line, this CRB, current resistance break, happens, then you can take the trade the same. Either on upper side or lower side of this blue line, we must wait for the retest. Now second question is this. So once you determine that yes, it is a long or it is a short, now how long you will keep the trade? The question is how long you will keep the trade, right? Now you can see the depth of this channel is from here to here. The depth of the channel, if we measure here to here, can you see, guys? So if it breaks the channel, it will move up to from here to here on the top side, and at least I'm telling you again, at least it will move this 50%. Believe me, it will move up to this 50%. So if we measure this, it should move up to this position. This is number one. Let us complete the long, and then we will go with the short. How far we can go. So in day time frame, we can see it will go. Again, it is not visualizing here, so I need to visualize in day time frame. I don't need to weekend months. Okay, so if we go to day time frame, we can see now a little bit here. Let's move it here. That if it breaks out, retest, then it will come here. This is one option we have. This is 50%. And what is this line? This line is the half of the full range. It means this line is, this is the top of the weekly, the pattern 1, weekly double top, and this was the pattern 2, daily double bottom, and this line is half. This line is half of this full range. This was our full range. This was the channel for last 3 months, but the price came down from here, so we have to keep this under consideration. This is the half of it, and it's a very powerful line. Don't forget it, okay? So if we measure it from here to here, you can see this is the half of the full line, full range. Now from where the double top has started, and this top was responsible for this bottom. Now second question is if we just think we have not drawn it properly. Yes, now it is drawn properly. So if we move to 4 hours chart again, we can see that I need to activate that. Sorry guys, bear with me. Hourly, okay. So if we go to 4 hour now, and if we measure, this is the 50% of the long we will take. But if we want to take more, how long we will go? Another 50% of the rest. And you guys see this 50%, the rest 50% of the 50% is just on line with the full range 50%. It means the actual range, if we compare with the week, considering the week, this guy, if we consider this guy, hourly I have to activate. So if we go to 4 hours now, so this 50% is the range from here to here, okay? And it matches with 75% of our current target. If we increase now, if we visualize now, so this is the second area, this is the area we should consider to take our second TP1, or if this is TP1, this should be TP2. Beyond that, I don't suggest, because this is a very strong line, very big resistance, so be careful. Don't go. See price action like this in here, then you can take more. So in my opinion, the option to go long is simple. Go here. If it comes here, retest, comes here, again retest and fail, it will go here. It will retest again, retest, it will go here. Maybe it will retest and it will fail, or maybe it will break out. To cover the what? To cover this guy, this 100%. You understand? Cover this 100%. So I'm not showing any negative legs here, but I'm giving you how far the long we can go. But any place from here or here, the price it can start creating a double top, especially here it can create a double top. And if you can see, guys, can you see this half? We have every chance that the price will react from here, because this is a very good supply zone. If you can see, this is a very good supply zone. So let's mark it. Can we have this in day also? Let's see. Can we have this in day also? Yes, you can see we have this possible double top in there also. And can you see if we have the same issue in the same area in weekly? No, we don't have any double top. In monthly, do we have? Yes, we may have a monthly double top too. You see here? So it's a very strong area. This guy is very strong area. So be careful, okay? Be careful. Let me turn it on so you can see, guys. In monthly time frame, you see this is a very strong area. It's a very big, strong area. So simple and easy. Don't go beyond 75% at the moment. Simple. You take your profit here, and let me be a little bit conservative here. I will not draw like this. I better draw it, as we have a monthly resistance there. Come here, may do some test, come here, do some retest, come here, and this is the last line I can say, because after reaching here, based on price action and any change in pattern, I will be able to say something. Because if it goes here, from here we have a bigger gap, remember it. we have a bigger cup. Can you see how big the cup will be in 4 hours? And if we in daytime, can you see how big the cup will be? So maybe it will create a handle from here, so nobody knows. On the flip side, again, let's go to, let's see in 4 hours. Where is my green candle? I don't know. Have I deleted it or I lost it? Oh no, this is the green candle I have. Sorry, I did it, lost it. Okay, be happy. Let me move it here. Like this. Okay. On the flip side, now what happens that it failed. Still, it is showing very good thing. The week in 4 hours time frame, we can see we have a shadow here, and it is trying to break. Now on the other side, if it fails and if it turns red, and then this green retest, where it will come at the beginning, in my opinion, it may go here, come back, go here, come back, and it will retest this area. Of course, it will not happen in a single day, maybe 1, 2, 3 days, but when the momentum will be lost, because it has a huge momentum. If this momentum fails to break this, then this will happen. And again, when it will come here, then it will retest again. Or maybe I should draw it a little bit more realistically, so you guys can understand. It will come here, retest, and then maybe it will come here. Normally it will come here, this line. This guy is very strong guy. This is the area it should come and retest. So that's for all. So this is the thing you should take care, and be careful when you take the trade. Please make the risk management so you don't lose too much. So if you take a short, give your stop loss a little bit above somewhere here, and if you go long, at least give somewhere here. Okay, that's all for the AUD USD. Best of luck, and please guys, if you find a better analysis, or if you have anything to share, I'll be glad to see. Thank you very much.